Hey, so I'm going to show you how to run PM4 core using Docker. And that's the easiest way to get a PM4 instance up and running. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this repository and download this code base. There are some prerequisites to be able to do this. You'll need Docker Desktop, um, and the links for installing that are here. Once you have that installed, you'll also need a terminal application. I'm using Mac. Mac comes with one just called Terminal, so I'll just use that. But the first thing you want to do is download the code here. So I'm just going to download this zip file. And then back in the terminal application, I'm going to cd into my downloads folder, which is where that is, and I'm going to unzip the zip file that we just downloaded, and then cd into that folder. And if you installed Docker Desktop correctly, you'll have an application, you'll have a command ready to use in your terminal called Docker Compose. And all you need to do to run this ProcessMaker 4 instance is run Docker Compose up. This will take a few minutes. If you haven't downloaded any of these images before from or run this command before, this will take a few minutes depending on how fast your internet connection is. I had already downloaded some of these before, so mine ran pretty fast. But when you get to this screen here and no other code is or no other text is showing up in your terminal, you're ready to go. So all you need to do is go to localhost 8080, which I have a link to down here. And you have your ProcessMaker login screen. The username and password for this is admin123. And you can see you have a full working instance of ProcessMaker, in this case version 4.120, which is the latest release at the time that this video is made. So that's all there is to it. All right. When you're done with this, you can Control C to stop the server. And if you have any changes that you made, those will be available again when you run Docker Compose up the next time in this folder. If you want to clear out any changes that you made and have a fresh instance, you just have to run what it says in here, which is Docker Compose -v, and that will clear any changes that you've made to that instance. All right, thanks.